We'll guide you through how to mask a photo in Snapseed. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, locate Snapseed on your phone. Click on it to open the Snapseed. Tap the Add Photo button. Select the photo you want to edit. Once you are inside, press the Tools button to display more editing options. Find the double exposure tool and press it. Tap the plus sign to add another photo. Adjust the added image carefully before moving to the next step. Next, click the checkmark button. Then, press the layer button at the top. Select Mask. Press Invert. Use the eraser tool. Erase every region you want by brushing across your phone screen. Once you are done, click the checkmark button to see the result. Take your time during each adjustment because small changes often create a cleaner and more natural final image. If something does not look right immediately, continue making careful refinements until the blended photo appears smooth and balanced. Working slowly helps you maintain better control over every detail and prevents accidental mistakes that may require repeating the process. Pay close attention to the edges while using the eraser tool so the transition between both images looks soft instead of harsh. Brush gently, review your progress frequently, and continue erasing only where necessary. Avoid removing important parts of the main subject unless that effect is intentional. You can zoom in for greater precision when working around fine details because this makes accurate brushing much easier. If needed, zoom back out occasionally to check how the complete image appears from a normal viewing distance. After confirming the final result with the last check mark, your edited picture is ready to save or share according to your preference. Following these steps in order will help you create an effective double exposure edit with confidence, even if you are using Snapseed for the first time.